Good morning, children. Welcome to mathematics class. So in our previous class, we have started the new lesson, that is lesson number 3, number up to 1000. So what we have learned in the previous class? So 3-digit number. How to read 3-digit number? For example, after 99, what will come? 100. 99 is a 2-digit number. If we add plus 1 to the 99, we will get 100. So 100 is a 3-digit number. So let's discuss about places. This is ones, tens, and this is hundreds. Okay, these are the 3-digit numbers: ones, tens, hundred. Okay, how we should read this? 100. There is nothing in tens place and ones place, so no need to read. Okay, this is just 100. Suppose again this is ones, tens, hundred. How to read it? 235, 739. So this is ones, tens, hundred. If the numbers are 3-digit, the places are ones, tens, hundred. Suppose for 999, if we do plus 1, we will get 1000. So 1000, how many digits? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits? 4 digits. So for 999, if we add 1, we will get the 4-digit number. This is 4-digit number. So what are all the places for 4-digit number? Now these are 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So first place you know ones. This is tens. Third one is 100. And the fourth one is 1000. So how we should read this? Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. One example. 200, 2, 3, 5, 6. How to read this? 2356. Okay, like this you should read the 4-digit number. Now we will discuss about 3-digit number. I'll write one example. $398. So 300s, 9 tens and 8 ones. So 300 means 300 plus 9 tens means 10 into 9, that is 90, plus 8 ones, 8 into 1, that is 8. This is expanded form. You know the expanded form? So according to the places, if we expand it with the plus sign, this is known as expanded form of a numeral. To write number names, read it. 398. How you will read? Like that only you should write. So first letter capital, 398. So 398. This is the number name or number words. This is expanded form. This is number name in terms of places. Got it? So let's see the textbook. Page number 183. I hope you have written it. So this is all things we have done yesterday in the previous class, and how the 100 will come, how the tens, what is the tens, ones, hundreds. So 10 hundreds equal to 1000. Everything we discussed in the previous class. Next, page number 186. Number names and numerals. I told you already what is numeral. The number figure is known as numeral. Got it? And the number name means writing the numeral in words. Okay? In spellings, that is known as number name or number in words. Okay? Now page number 186. Number names and numerals. Write the number names. One is done for you. A. 463. They have written in number names. For you are 463. Next one, B, I will write. So you also write in your textbook. 289. So first letter capital, remaining all small. After writing one word, you should leave some space. 200. So 100 is the one word. In this, what are all the spellings are there? They all should be in one group. You should not write like this. Okay? So space should not be there in middle of the same word. Okay, there should be space in between two words. 289. C. 354. 354. D. 726. E. 815. 815. F. 615. 615. G. 936. You should read the number, and how you will read, like that only you should write. 936. Okay, this is the number name for given numbers. Next, fact file. There is a small box. This one you read. The number name of any number from 1 to 999 does not have letter A in it. See, we are writing spellings. So, number name from 1 to 999, there is no anywhere the letter A. Okay? Except A, remaining letters are there. So, this is one information. Okay? Quick check. Write the numerals. One is done for you. Now they have given number name. We should write numerals or the short forms. 535. One has done. Second one, 260. So, second one, 260. 260. Third one, 930. 930, you write it in the box. Fourth one, 629. So first one, 530. 930 and 629. You also write in your textbook. Next, expansion of numbers with respect to the place value. I told you already how to expand. Now we will discuss. Expansion are expanded. Okay. Place value. Read it. Place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon its place or position in the numeral. For example, let's consider the place value of each digit in 576. Arrange the numbers 576 in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 6 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. In 576 the digits 6 is in the column of ones. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones is equal to 6. The digit 7 is in the column of tens. So the place value of 7 is 7 tens is equal to 70. The digit 5 is in the column of hundreds. So the place value of 5 is 5 hundreds are equal to 500. Find the place value of each digit in 397. One they have given how to do this place value. Okay. See just it. 397. Ones, tens, hundreds. First we should discuss, always in mathematics you should come from right to the left. Ones, tens, hundred onwards you should go to the left side. So 7 ones. 7 1 are 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 1 means 1. Okay, they have given 7 stands for 7 ones is equal to 7. Next, 9 tens. So 9 into tens means 10. So 9 into 10, 90. Then 3 hundreds is equal to 3 into 100 is equal to 300. Got it? So face value. Face means you know already. This is place value. So to identify the place value, what you have to do is we should multiply the number with its place. Okay? The place value of 7 is 7 because 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Here place value of 9 is 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Place value of 3 into 100 is equal to 300. But these are the place values. Place value how we will get? By multiplying number with the places. Okay. Face value means no multiplication with anything. So face value of 7 is 7 itself. Because 7 is the face in. If the 7 stands in front of the mirror, we will see 7 only. So face of 7 is 7 only. Now face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 3 is 3 only. So place value means we should multiply the number with the place. Okay. Face value means the number itself is a place value of that number. Got it? I'll take one more example. ones means 1. 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So place value of 5 is 5. What is the place value of 9? 9 into the place is 10. So 9 tens are 90. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 100. 2 into 100. 100 twos are 200. So these are the place value of these numbers. And what is the face value? Face value of 5. Sorry, 295. What is the place value of 5? 5 only. What is the place value of 9? 9 only. What is the place value of 2? 2 only. Face value means the number itself. I hope you understood this. Okay. If you have confusion, you can read the examples which has solved in your textbook, or else you can talk to me. So next, page number 188, quick check, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.